Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. This is non-negotiable. First, flip the wall switch and then the circuit breaker feeding the bathroom. You want 0 live voltage. Once done, test the fixture with a voltage tester to confirm no power. Position your ladder securely and lay a drop cloth under the light. This protects surfaces and catches small parts. Keep a screwdriver and gloves at hand so you can work steadily, not fumble, and move to the trim removal immediately. You'll now remove the visible trim and access the housing. Start by releasing spring clips or unscrewing the trim ring. Support it with one hand so it doesn't drop. Once exposed, remove the bulb or LED module, noting how the connector sits so you can reverse it later. If the recessed can has mounting tabs, unclip them or remove bracket screws. This frees the housing. Work deliberately to avoid deforming trim and keep screws and clips. You're finishing. Disconnect the wire nuts and separate the hot, neutral, and ground, making sure you remember which is which. Once wires are detached, remove the housing completely from the ceiling, inspect insulation and the cutout for damage, and replace or patch as required. Reinstall the new fixture or store parts safely. After restoring power, test the circuit and fixture with a voltage tester. If the light doesn't work, recheck wire connections and breaker labeling. Loose connections are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.